Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening settings so you can control notifications at the source. Swipe down twice from the top, tap the gear, then go to Apps or Apps and Notifications. If the app is obvious, search for it by name. Otherwise, open the full app list to find the target. Once done, tap the specific app entry to reveal its notification settings. This is where you'll make precise changes instead of a blanket toggle, so you don't miss important alerts. You now handle the middle, more detailed steps. Tap Notifications for that app to reveal channels or categories. Some apps list message types. Tap each channel to toggle it off, change sound, or mark it as priority. If you prefer quick action, use the main switch to mute the whole app, but make sure to check channels first because some critical alerts may be separated. Once configured, press back to save automatically. Android keeps these changes without needing a restart. Finish by reviewing system-level controls and a key troubleshooting tip. Go to Sound and Vibration or Notification settings and confirm Do Not Disturb rules aren't allowing exceptions. Adjust schedules if needed. Make sure the app isn't exempt from battery optimization or allowed as a priority app. If notifications persist despite toggles, restart your phone, then clear the app cache or storage as a targeted fix. If that fails, remove and reinstall the app. This usually resets stubborn notification behavior.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.